I advocate for Gertitude. So like what I want to accomplish here and what I want the Gardening Gardeners program to do is to end up with a village full of Gerts. So there'll be like 20 people who all have a humble home in a large garden, and they largely put their feet up. I imagine that if you do a whole bunch of this stuff, like you put your time in to the Gardening Gardeners program, to the point that you ended up with some acres and a humble home in a large garden, you're not going to do nothing all day, but you could. Your days are going to start off with not kind of like what Samantha alluded to, of like, winter is coming, oh no, we got to hurry up and do things. But instead, to start your day every day with the phrase, oh hey, you know what would be cool? You got your infrastructure, you got your garden, you got all more food than you could possibly eat, and a humble home that's rock solid, and your expenses are hovering around zero. And so you don't need to pursue money. Kind of feel like for a lot of people that are living in the city, I don't want to come up with gumption. I gave all my gumption to my worky job, and I'm now exhausted. I'm going to go buy some pizza. I'm going to go with a friend and get donuts today. Later, it'll be Italian food. I don't want to cook. I don't want to garden. I'm exhausted already. Gert doesn't have a problem with gumption in large part because in order to get there, she went through the Gardening Gardeners program. She now has habits, gardening habits. And whether it's winter or summer or whatever it is, she's got things that she likes to do. Instead of that permanent sensation of being exhausted from your worky job, instead, I think that there's new adventures to be had. It's like, oh, I just thought of this cool idea. I'm going to make a cool thing because it's like the other cool things I've made in the past. And I'm going to optimize my infrastructure with this other cool thing. Or I'm going to add art or something like that. It won't be, terrific art. Like I'm not going to win any awards with this art, but I'll think it's cool.
When you start to add art, you've really made it. Like if you've made a thing a few times and then you're like, wow, I'm almost bored. I'm going to put some art